I'm Karen Jones, I'm the product manager for Inbound at a company called Gamma. Inbound is quite an advanced call management system which allows you to route either a geographic or a non-geographic number to any device anywhere. So you can take the calls on your mobile or a fixed line. You don't have to be in the office. It makes your call management a lot easier, so it allows you to add features such as an IVR, or you can have call queuing in the cloud rather than on your site, and it allows you to have call diverts. So if, for example, your lines are busy, you can divert calls to another destination or another number, so you never miss a call. Absolutely. You can have a call divert, so if there's something wrong with your circuit into your building, then you can divert that call to another site. So if it's a contact centre, you could send it to an outsourcer or another site that you've got, or to people working from home. Or you can have a manual call business continuity plan ready in place. So if there is a disaster or an emergency, you can activate it within seconds. There's a couple of ways you can do it. You can either do it by our portal, which is where you create the plans in the first place, and we've got an easy two-click system, or we've got an Inbound app that you can have on your smartphone. So you can take that wherever you are. You can change call plans and activate your DR plans instantaneously. So an IVR is an automated system that allows you to filter calls when they come in, directing them to the right person in the right department. So for example, when you call a company, they might ask you if you want to talk to somebody in sales to press 1, if you want to talk to somebody about service to press 2. So it allows you to get that call to the right person as quickly as possible. Okay, so we have a portal called myinbound.com. And it's a very easy, intuitive interface that allows you to drag and drop features onto a call plan. So literally you take an IVR node and put it onto the call plan, and then you fill out the node with the destination that you want to send that particular call to. So it's very graphical, very easy to use, and it will always validate you, so you can't make mistakes. Okay, we have day, time and date routing, so you can set up different call routing plans for different times of day automatically. So at 5 o'clock it could go to an announcement or a voicemail service. We have call distribution, so you can load balance calls across different offices or different people. We also have call recording, network whisper, announcements, and also area-based routing, so you can have local offices for people calling in those local areas. You need somebody that you can have a reliable inbound service. We have geographic resilience, so 2 mirrored platforms, so that if there is a problem on one, we don't lose your calls because we can direct them to the other service. I'd say you've got to have an easy and intuitive way of building those call plans. If it's too complicated, then you won't use the features that you actually wanted in the first place. Okay, so with the day and time routing, you can set up where you want calls to go to within particular days and times. So for Monday to Friday, 9 till 5, you can send them to the office. And then automatically out of hours, out of those times, you can send it to a voicemail service, which will give you an email notification that you've got that voicemail. Or you can divert it to somebody's mobile at the weekend or out of hours if you're a small business in particular and you don't want to miss those calls. No, it's actually complementary. So you can port your number that you've already got onto the inbound system and have those features in the cloud without having to invest in an expensive switch. No, there's no upfront cost. It's all kind of operational on a monthly basis as you would pay for your calls.